An additional feature of styles that makes applying styles more efficient is using the option for Next Style. When I apply a style to a paragraph, I can set that it would change to a new paragraph style for the next paragraph. Since we have a repeating pattern of using the food item and then food description and then back to food item, we're going to set up these styles to loop automatically by using the Next Style feature. We're going to begin with the food item style. Right-click on food item and choose Edit Food Item. In the General tab, where it says Next Style, instead of using Same Style, we're going to drop down and choose the Item Description style. This means that when we have multiple paragraphs selected, the first paragraph we apply food item to, it will apply item description to the next paragraph. We're going to click OK to save and close the style. Next, we're going to do the similar thing to the next style so that they rotate between these two styles. In the item description style, we're going to right-click and choose Edit Item Description. Here, we're going to choose the next style in the General tab to be food item. So as we select multiple paragraphs, it will apply both of these styles in a repeating order to all the paragraphs that are selected. We're going to go ahead and hit OK to save and close the style. Lastly, we're going to apply the styles. Now that we have set up paragraph styles that have nested character styles, and then set up what styles will be used next, we can very quickly and easily format our text using our paragraph styles. Selecting all of the food items under the sandwiches heading, we're going to right-click on food item and choose Apply Food Item, then Next Style. And we see that this applies both paragraph styles that we have, including the character styles that we set up for our prices. So we're going to go ahead and select the text under Sides. If I just click on Apply Food Item, it would apply food item to all of the paragraphs that we have selected. That's not what we want. So we're going to right-click and choose Apply Food Item, then Next Style. Lastly, we're going to apply this to all of the items listed underneath desserts. Right-click on Food Item and say Apply Food Item, then Next Style. Lastly, for style, we're going to go ahead and shorten up this box just a little bit so that the text is balanced on either side. I'm going to insert a column break here by hitting the Enter key next to my number pad to push all the text to the other side. I'm going to move this text box down just a little bit so it's kind of centered in space. And holding Control or Command 0 to fit my design in window, I see that with just a few clicks of a button, I was able to apply multiple styles to format the text on our page to have a much more visually interesting and easier to read menu.